On this Sheraton folding table or card table, on the front skirt or apron here, which is serpentine shaped, in the four corners of these panels there are little quarter fans that are a combination of holly in the original piece, and then the little ends of the fan are painted green. So I'm in the process of figuring out how to make these fans that I can insert later into a recess that I create in the actual apron. And the first step is to create the holly pieces that I use to make the leaflets of the fan. And I've got about 1/16 thick holly here, bandsawed, and I've got the little cutter here to cut a piece that's this width, which is the fattest width of those leaflets. And so the way I use this is to take several passes with the cutter here. Get a shallow pass. This cutter, Steve Latta, I guess, came up with this tool, and Lee Nielsen sells it. And I sharpen it occasionally on the stone, and because it needs to be sharp. And that sounds like it's through now. Yeah. So that's the width of the little leaflets. Let me show you. Here's, well, this is a full circle rather than just a quarter circle, but it's the same size. And so I've cut out this little piece here, one of these leaflets. I don't know if that's what you call them or not. And this is the width of that, the widest part. So there's several steps then. I have to make all of these little leaflets. It takes 5 of them per quarter round. And then I sand shade them. And then I glue them together and then cut the ends with a carving tool, that rounded end, and then make the end pieces, which are going to be painted. You can see they're gray here in this diagram, and those will be painted green. I'm using the same holly for these little pieces as well, because they're all going to be painted green anyway. So it's, even though it's the same color now, it will be different after painting. So I'll go through all the other steps.